What are you doing to this?
We brought Anne to look at it to make it look like we're doing something, and we're going to push it back outside again.
Don't be a smartass. No one likes a smartass, especially when you're dealing with this kind of epic build. So knock it off. What are you doing?
I put it on the hoist, and Chris is taking it apart. So Chris is getting the credit. He's got the exhaust off. He's took the drive shaft off. He's just, you know, getting things on so we can get the engine and tranny out.
You know what you're doing?
No. Welcome to old time.
What the hell? We hired somebody that knew what they were doing? It's a little bit dirty.
It's a little bit.
It is a little bit dirty.
Not for long.
No, not for long. So now you can all see underneath this custom.
Yeah, you can see if you actually look up in here, you can see where they moved the tunnel up.
Oh!
Back in the day. They raised it up because the car was so lowered.
Look at that.
Yeah. Because if you look, this car sits extremely low, but see, there's no lowering blocks.
Yeah.
It wasn't due to lowering blocks.
They tucked everything up.
They tucked everything up in there.
Mother tuckers.
It's got the old still stock all suspension, which we're going to leave. We're not going to touch it because you have to remember, this car in the day underneath all this old factory.
That's really close to the tire, hey?
Yeah.
Woo.
All this old factory undercoating in you see from the day. That's how this car was, even though it was winning awards everywhere.
Yes.
It was just like that.
It was Cort's daily driver, was it not?
That's right.
Yes.
But we're going to actually take it off the frame, and we're actually going to send the frame down. And if you're out there watching Terry, we're going to have all your frame blasted and powder coated.
Yes, yes.
So thanks to Fraser Valley Powder Coating and Scott at Profo Powder Coaters. Oh no, Fraser Valley Blasting, I should say.
Fraser Valley Blasting and ProFlow.
ProFlow Powder Coating.
ProFlow Powder Coating.
They're
awesome, guys.
They are donating some of their time and money and stuff into doing that for us.
Yes.
They're going to take care of it for us.
Yes, we took the magazines down and showed them and told them what was going on, and they agreed to give us some
freebie work.
Freebie work, yeah.
Yeah.
Some donated work to this beautiful car. That fan is going, yes?
The fan is going.
Okay.
The engine.
What about the Folgers coffee? That's staying, right?
I just put that there.
Oh.
That's the return for the overflow for the radiator. Not that I drink coffee.
Joking. It's all the volts. Anyway, so yeah, this is the start of her.
Yeah.
She's got a little bit of mud and crap kicked on there, hey?
Well, this is the whole reason too we thought about blasting. Originally I was just gonna pull this apart, replace everything, scrape it down, and just wire wheel it and paint it. But I'm gonna be here forever.
Merc, actually, yeah. Because remember, my Merc was from Alberta.
Yeah.
And you couldn't even see the upper control arms, like that bolt there. You couldn't even see that on my Merc.
It's bad.
This is actually not as bad as my Merc, but yeah, it's bad. Look at that. How does it even steer this thing?
So
maybe it's preserved it all in there.
Engine and transmission will take out tomorrow.
All right.
I had planned on taking the whole body and frame all apart this week because the hoist was free for like 3 to 4 weeks, which is all we need. But now a customer has come in and needs a hoist.
Oh, pesky customers. They keep getting in the way.
So we'll at least get the engine and transmission out and yeah.
Let's see what it looks like from back here. Yeah, see this little indent here? That is where that custom chrome goes. It covers that. It was lengthened because they lengthened these quarter panels, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Top there, yeah, with the taillights and all that. Right?
Yeah.
Because of the package taillights.
Just starting to bubble now.
Yeah, it's getting a little bit of bubbling.
Yeah, but it's not bad for like how old this car is.
Oh God.
You know, like look at the rockers even. They're still like mint.
Yeah.
You never did the rockers on this, did you, when you did the original restoration, the partial restoration for Terry?
I just did floors and body mounts underneath where you kind of see it's cleaned up is what I had done.
Okay.
So underneath is solid.
Gas tank looks a little newer too. Did you do that?
No.
Huh.
No. But yeah, the original bumper would have came into here. That's why they welded this in, because this is a 56 Chevy rear bumper.
Yeah.
So that's why. But they didn't bother. See, they didn't do any work over underneath that because it's got a great big chrome plate.
Let me get over here and film this, what you're talking about.
It's got a big chrome plate that covers that.
Yes.
If you look at the pictures in the day, it's got a big covering. So
yes.
what? They didn't do the body work over it.
Yeah.
Nowadays, people are so fussy. They would do the body work over this and then put the plate on because they'd be afraid if someone ever took the plate off.
Yeah. But you're not going to, because that's still original, right?
Well, we have to make sure Sean doesn't get carried away as the car's name. because Sean will not be able to live with this situation.
Yeah, but
I'm gonna have to tell him just to leave it because you have to.
yeah.
See, on my own personal cars, when I do shit like this, I leave it like that too.
Yeah.
Because it's covered up.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna spend time fucking around with that when I could spend more time with something that you see.
Yeah.
So, and not only that, on Friday we're picking up all the, this is ready at the chrome shop, all the headlight rings are replayed at the chrome shop. There's
And
a
the
bunch of
piece that
chrome
goes up front here too?
No, that's not in.
Okay.
So, but I got more chrome we're taking down. So I take it in spurts because trust me, the chrome is not cheap for this car.
No.
I think this bill coming up is like $1,000.
Yeah.
And they don't give me nothing.
Yeah, no.
They don't get to give no.
No, they're not donating anything. The chrome shops are not donating anything.
No, there's a lot of chroming.
Yeah.
There's, you know, probably $3-4 grand of chroming. Yeah.
Cool, cool.
It's all starting out.
Yeah. All right, well, I guess that's the first video on the, well, I guess not technically the first video because you already did some of the front end stuff, so. All right, so that's it. We'll sign off on Carried Away, Cort Elliot's Custom, and we will be continuing on. So it's always a good time at Old Time.